Hello, hi everyone. So, guys, as you all know that Diwali is over, now we are gearing up for Christmas and New Year. So, I'm going to show you some amazing pieces. They are just apt for your office parties, for your small gatherings, or wherever you want to go this Christmas and New Year season. So, guys, the one I am wearing, जब भी मैं पहनती हूँ मुझे बहुत compliments मिलते हैं and everyone asks you have more of this. So, same design नहीं है, guys. As you all know, we don't repeat designs. So same concept के suits आपको आज दिखाने वाली हूँ. They're very contemporary, very modern as you can see, and they look very very smart. Okay, this one is a printed tussar silk जो मैंने पहना है. So सारे suits are tussar silk ही दिखा रही हूँ. इसमें जो है the ones I'm gonna show you today. The kurtas have embroidery सामने जाल का. It's a cross stitch embroidery. They are fabulous, fabulous, and even better than what I am wearing. So and this is the dupatta in print. So you can see the color combinations, the classicness. This is pure टसर का जो शेड होता है ओरिजिनल टसर का. टसर इसी में बनता है, उसके बाद इसको डाई किया जाता है इन कलर्स. सो दिस इज द ओरिजिनल टसर का कलर. आई एम जस्ट गोना गेट इट क्लोज फॉर यू टू हैव अ नाइस लुक. दिस ऑल इज क्रॉस स्टिच एम्ब्रॉयडरी इन द फ्रंट. जाल है. मैं आपको पूरा कुर्ता बॉटम सब खोल के दिखाने वाली हूँ. दिस इज द दुपट्टा विद इट. They are fabulous pieces, very modern, very elegant to be worn for any gatherings. I'm just going to open it up fully to have for you to have a nice look. Bottoms भी इसी में है टसर की प्लेन में. So एक पीस खोल के दिखा देती हूँ, then you will get an idea. So this is the front of the kurta, embroidered. Back side is plain, and you can see ये जो आपको इसमें stripes दिख रही हैं self. This is all the weaving of tussar. ये ऐसा ही होता है tussar. And this is the bottom in plain. So this is a beautiful set for this festive season. Okay guys, the price range is also very very economical. They are for 16,620 for a 3-piece tussar silk suit set, and they are fabulous. As many of you know, winters aa rahe hain. Winters ke liye tussar silk is just an apt fabric. So this is the front of the kurta. This is in a yellow, very nice mustard yellow color, and this is the dupatta with it. So, a 3-piece suit set, fabulous one, and the price range is 16,620 for a 3-piece suit set. Guys, if you have joined us new, you don't know how to shop, it's very very simple, very very easy. We have a website too, www.heritageweave.com. In case आपको website से shop करना easy लगता है, you can easily shop from the website, or you can browse it for prices, or to just check out the collection. Or otherwise, the best way is take a screenshot from our videos, come on our WhatsApp number, chat with us. You want to know anything about the fabric, the length, the width, the dupatta, or anything, you can ask us. If you have finalized your piece, just let us know and we will send you the payment methods. बहुत सारे payment modes हैं आप लोग के लिए. कोई cash on delivery है with COD. Sorry. So this is the next design which I want to show you. As I told you, these colors, the fabric, the design, everything is so apt for this Christmas and New Year season, and you can wear them to office. They are very very contemporary in design. So you can see how fabulous it looks, how fabulous it is, and it's very lightweight. The dupattas, you can carry them easily the whole day, and they are just fabulous. The price range for these suits is 14,620. जो पहले डिजाइन दिखाया था वो 16,620 था, ये 14,620 है. The bottoms are inside only. I'll just open up one piece fully for you to see the bottom and all. And this is the other color. As I told you, all the colors are just fabulous for this winter fall season. You can see how gorgeous the colors are. And guys, so okay, I was saying we have a booking amount as well, booking option as well. You can book it with 40% of the amount, and once you are done with it, within a month you have to make the full payment, and then we ship the piece to you. बहुत सारे options है हमारे पास. Credit card, debit card link है, you can pay with it. So there's no option that you can think of and we don't have it. Cash deposit hai, bank transfer hai, everything is there. So you just have to do, your simple job is to choose the piece, come on our WhatsApp, chat with us, and make the payment. You're good to go, and then we ship the piece to you. So that's simple and easy. And this is the last color. It's a very nice maroon shade. So guys, that's it for the video. Have a great day.